Hi guys, welcome back. Actually, in last video, I show you how to set up the printing settings, right? So my some of colleagues asked some question regarding the exporting PDF. So we have select bulk file which we selected. So around 20-25 sheet. You can select more than that, there is no issue, but the thing is whenever we export we need to print the PDF at separate file, not combined one. So the thing is whenever we're printing, we need to save one by one. It once it's done one, then it will pop up a window for the saving window, then you need to save again, then it will pop up again, then for the next one you need to save again. So I will show you the problems. So I'm going to print, so I choose the PDF, so I'm going to select, so going to select insert. Currently we have one only. Okay, I will make one more sheet, blank sheet. Okay, so we have two sheet, so going to select, so I'm going to make the setting for this. Okay, so I choose A1, then I'm going to save here. Okay, so I'm going to save one. I'm going to save here, so I select two drawings. I'm going to print, so it will not separate. So you have to choose to use sheet as a separate file. Do you wish to continue? So because we need to make separate, so that's why I'm clicking yes. Okay, so I'm just clicking OK. Yes, so it is it asks one time. So the first sheet I just save here, so it's printing. So first one done, it's asking for next one. You need to save again, then job done. That means you need to select one by one for all the sheets. So if you have 50 sheet, it will take too long to process, right? So you need to save one by one. See? Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, delete. So what you need to do, you need to change a symbol setting in the PDF. So I'm just going here. So here, just select the PDF, go to the properties, click, and here what you need to do, here Adobe PDF output folder, just change to the printing folder which you need to select. So I select the desktop new folder, click OK, then click OK. So make sure this one also in the same folder. Okay, so I'm just giving a prefix as SEO. So what I did, one here on the PDF setting, just I changed the output folder. So in the here I did the same with a prefix. Okay, so I select the same setting with the two sheet. I select the setting as a A1 PDF. So PDF, I change the properties. I change here. I select the sheet. What are the drawings and the setting. So I'm going to click OK. It will ask same question because we need to make separate. So I'm just clicking yes. So you can see it's never come any pop-up window, and it's automatically save. You can see two sheet. So I'll show you that as see. This is the two files. So only you need to change these two setting, then it will not come with any pop-up window. So I think you enjoy this video. Bye. See you on next video. Subscribe for more tips.